Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we're doing just a little run video on the Kyosho Outlaw Rampage, and we're gonna see if this thing's worth the 160 bucks, 170 bucks that we paid for it. Everything's bone stock, haven't changed anything, as you guys see in the previous video. And if you haven't seen that, I'm gonna put the link in the description of this video. Click on that and check it out. You know, kind of see what we paid for it and what we think about it, and what it all comes included with the kit. And I hope you guys like the video. I appreciate it. Thanks. And again, Kyosho Inferno, or Kyosho Outlaw Rampage. We're gonna see how this thing really goes. Oh wow, steering servo looks pretty quick. See, we already ran into a problem. See, this is why we do this. Carnage. Well, I guess I'm going to run with it, guys. Upon further investigation, looks like the steering servo has broke. But, you know what? We're going to run with it. Maybe I'll just sit here and do a bunch of donuts for you guys. See, I can get it to go. It just takes forever. Well, I don't know. We're going to have to fix some of the issues with this truck. And just see kind of where this is going to go. Is it going to make a good basher? I don't know. Is it going to make a good truck all and out? I don't know. We're going to find out. But I don't know. Kind of on the fence right now. I think it's going to be a good truck. It just needs some work. You know, from what I can see of it right now, it's going to need a shock upgrade. Them rear shocks are real stiff. I kind of don't like that. I like something that's got a little more cush in the rear. But, I don't know. We're going to have to jump it and find out. Steering servo, definitely. Definitely going to need a new steering servo. And I'm running the stock battery that comes with it, 1800 nickel hydride battery. I think I'm going to go ahead and go to a 5200 2S LiPo in it. I'm going to change the motor in the ESC. I've got a nice 17 turn brushless to put in there. I think that's going to work out awesome. Battery box is plenty good size for a 2S. But you know, all in all, 170 bucks. I think I'm gonna give it a 8, because price point's good, quality looks good. I like the way the truck looks, operates. I mean, yeah, steering servo's garbage, I will admit there, but I've got a nice metal gear servo. Matter of fact, you guys have seen it out of my 8 scale, the Arma Italian. You know, I changed that servo out and put that aftermarket 20 gram. I got a 15 gram. That's more than enough for this truck. That's overpowering this truck. But you know what? That's okay. I want to make sure we can steer this thing. So I think that's about it. I think that's all the upgrades I'm going to do right off the bat is set of shocks, motor, and steering servo. We're going to see how that thing goes. But all in all, for the price point, I think you're good. I think you guys will enjoy this truck. It's a good little truck for dad and son, dad and daughter, mom and son, husband and wife. You know, however you guys want to roll. I mean, I think it'd be awesome. But that's my review on this truck. Quality, looks, all that. Looks are awesome. I love the looks of the truck. Nice old style GMC or Chevy box style. I mean, I like the truck. It's awesome. I'm gonna have some fun with this truck later on. And kyosho, come on, man. You guys, awesome companies. And I understand it's a inexpensive truck. You know, hobby grade, inexpensive, under $200. But this is first time out with the truck, and it's got a bad steering servo. You know, I'm not going to claim it under warranty because, I mean, I do have a warranty on it. It's a year warranty, but I'm going to go ahead and just repair it myself and not worry about it. But hopefully if kyosho's seeing this, you know, maybe they can fix this issue that they're having with the steering servos. And we can start getting some awesome vehicles out of them again. Because I've got a kyosho Inferno, you know, nitro buggy. And that thing is awesome. I love that little buggy. You know, 4-wheel drive nitro, that thing is a blast. One day I'm going to have to get it put on the channel for you guys. But hopefully kyosho will get everything straight for us. But I appreciate it. You know, all in all, not too bad of a truck. Hopefully we can get the little issues figured out. Just the little ones. Nothing too big. I mean, not like we blew the motor up or destroyed the truck, broke it or anything. But it's alright. We'll get it fixed. That's what we do. That's the hobby. That's the love of the hobby. You know, not every time you go out you're going to have a blast and everything's going to work out perfect. That's why, hint the word in my previous videos, always come prepared, because you never know. Bring them screws. Bring them tools. You never know when you might need a part. Hey, and do me a favor, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and share the video, and hit that subscribe button if you ain't already hit that subscribe button. You'll see it up here, one of these sides. I think it's over there. Do me a favor, hit it up for me, please, and check out the video and the unboxing on this. You guys might like it too, you know, kind of see everything that goes on. Alright, I appreciate it, guys. Go outside and have some fun, because you know I'm going to. Later.